Let's get started. First, download Video Proc Converter. It's available for both Windows and Mac. Don't worry, it's completely safe to use. Open Video Proc Converter and click on the Video Converter tab. Now add your video file, either by dragging and dropping it or using the plus video or folder or add video folder buttons. The quickest way to extract JPGs is by using the screenshot feature. Just make sure JPG is selected as the output format first. Click the play button in the preview window. When you reach the frame you want, hit the camera icon to capture it. Repeat this as many times as you like for different frames. You can then click the folder icon to view your saved JPG images. Want more control and extract frames precisely? Use the snapshot tool under the toolbox. Just click the snapshot icon and follow these steps. Set the start and end time. Choose the exact part of the video you want to capture. Choose an image format. JPG is great for smaller file sizes. PNG is better for lossless quality. Set the image size. Keep the original resolution or adjust it as needed. Set the picture count. This defines how many frames you want to extract. For example, a 10-second video at 30 FPS has 300 frames. If you choose 20, it will take 1 frame every half second. After configuring everything, check your hardware acceleration, NVIDIA, Intel, AMD. Uncheck Auto Copy. Select an output folder and hit Run. You'll now find all the extracted JPG images saved in your chosen folder. This is how we can convert the video to JPEG. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.